Hi.
I don't care what y'all say. It's time to rock and roll. This time I'm in control. Right now I own the streets. I got the keys to the city. That's 'cause you can't touch me. You can't touch me. I know you want to, but you can't touch me. Not like I touched you at WrestleMania when I slapped you right in your mouth.
And Jillian, I just so an album.
Yes.
Really?
Tomorrow on iTunes, my album.
Oh. No, that's great. I mean, you know, I can appreciate that. It's so weird. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
It's just weird because I'm back there, right? And I'm like, oh my God, you know, it's really bad. It's really probably.
You know, I guess some things never change around here, huh?
I'm always available to give you a healthy dose of vitamin C. Huh?
You know, Chris, all this talk about vitamin C, it actually sounds very nutritious. Especially if it's freshly squeezed. And after watching you on Raw 2 weeks ago where you were butt naked, I gotta tell you, instead of vitamin C, maybe it should be vitamin we. What about my niece? What about Trish?
Oh, sugar. Don't worry. You find somebody else. I mean, you are the biggest slut on Raw.
You're so uptight. You need to loosen up. And I know just how.
It's time to rock and roll. This time I'm in control. Right now I own the streets. I got the keys to the city. That's 'cause I get down.
Hey guys, so this is Trish. This is the hair and makeup look that I came up with for Trish. I did a video on this color melt technique for my hair a couple videos back. Really super loose curls. And then this makeup was inspired by this photo. This hair by this photo. And I wanted to include a couple more photos because my lip color was inspired by this photo. I wanted to do this because I'm a big fan of Trish. I think she's awesome. I think her not wanting to be just another pretty face is amazing. She wanted to be a better wrestler and she wanted to be better at her passion. She followed her dream and I really enjoy that. I think she's absolutely stunning and she's really kind too. I posted about my hair being inspired by her and she commented back and tagged her hairstylist. Like, it just meant a lot to me being a fan of hers since I was young. So, and by the way, she doesn't look a day over 25. So I have no idea how old she is. Whatever. Anyway, she doesn't look a day over 25 and I'm 25. So I actually think I kind of look older than her. Which is scandalous. But anyway, if you watch this, Trish, thank you so much for being a positive role model on me in my younger years and still being a positive role model. I always mark out whenever I hear your music. That laugh gets me every time. And then when you come out and point, I love it. I will be picking up some Trish Stratus merchandise very soon. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! So I'm starting with this Laura Mercier Eye Basics in Wheat. I really like it. I thought it was a primer, but I think it might just be like a liquid eyeshadow. I don't know. Either way, used it as a primer. Don't care if it's a primer or whatever. I'm using the High Tides and Good Vibes palette from Tarte. I'm going to do a 10 looks 1 palette on this in the future. I just need to get some inspiration. I haven't been really inspired to do videos lately, but my mom bought this palette for me and I absolutely love it. And she said it was so me because I love neutral eyes, but then I also love to wear blue eyes. So anyway, I wanted to do half the lid like a shimmery gold, half the lid like a shimmery brown, because Trish keeps it very neutral. She wears a lot of mattes too, but in some photos I saw of her, she was wearing some shimmers. And it looks like when she does wear eyeliner, it looks like a pencil eyeliner. It might be a liquid, I don't know. And then later, right here, you'll see me put foundation or eyeshadow back over the liner because I wanted it to be softer instead of stark black. Then I used that Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I finally got a darker one so people don't read me anymore when I'm tan. I didn't want to use too much foundation because I feel like when you're wrestling you can't use too much foundation. Like it'll get all over the mat, maybe? I'm not sure. A little bit of Catrice concealer. And then I do powder with MAC Studio Fix. And then I do the all-over powder I used is the Marc Jacobs Omega Tan Bronzer in Tantastic. That's normally my bronzer color. However, when I'm tanning, it's my regular powder color. So there you see me using that. And then I used a Quo On The Go Trio blush. This came with a set. Or this came as like a set, I'm pretty sure, and I got it for Christmas. But I really like the blush that's in here, and it's not expensive if I'm not mistaken. So then I used the NYX Pale Pink liner, Jeffree Star birthday suit, and then I go and throw some lashes on. I don't think Trish wears a lot of makeup anymore. I think at one point she did, but I think now she keeps it very neutral and she really works it. So I thought I'd do the same. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.